Hey everybody, welcome back. If you're new around here, I'm Hakliva and I live out of my 2019 Kia Soul named Bob when I am lucky enough to travel. Together, we have traveled as far as roads will take us, geocaching along the way in my home province of Manitoba. For 31 days in the fall of 2023, I set out on a pretty epic adventure, adding not quite 400 finds to my geocaching profile while driving over 16,000 kilometers. It was a pretty spectacular trip, and this is part of it. So it looks like the webcam, I can't put you up yet. I can't put this up yet. It looks like the webcam cache is 5 minutes away. So we are going to beeline straight for the webcam. Now I can put this up. Okay, so I think I've arrived at the somebody inside, and I'm just sitting here staring up at the window. Still hasn't updated. It's been almost 20 minutes. Alright, so apparently I'm there-ish. We just pulled in. Planet Fitness is only 5 minutes away. So it does update every 10 minutes. It just takes its sweet time to then upload it. That's so sad. The bakery's not open. Do I see it already? So happy to be here. It is so silly, but I am so happy to be here. Okay, I need to get my shower sense together. There's a million things better, and of course it's raining. Yay. Maybe Bob will get a little bit of a bath now. Well, there is a reverse where I go that I was solved for and I was going to go for, but my SD card is full on you guys and the internal storage is pretty much full, so maybe since it's noon, maybe I'm being told I need to go to a coffee shop or bistro or something and deal with some computer work. Alright, I got tired of sitting there. Anyways, I went to Lulu's Bread and Bagels. It's a cafe. Whatever, it's a cafe. I got this garlic babka bread. It's quite firm. So I don't even know what babka bread is, but we're gonna find out. I probably paid way too much money for that, but it's there. Files are not done transferring over yet. There's still another hour and 10 minutes. So I ended up having, I had a caramel oat latte, and then I had a curry chicken salad sandwich on whole wheat sourdough, which was the crust on it was like, had a nice sweetness to it, and it was so good. And then I tried it was vegan, not that it matters, but it was a vegan mushroom soup. It was not good. I did not enjoy that. Everything else was ducky, but the vegan mushroom soup was so. Okay, we are going to continue on. We're gonna, oh, that's not a good angle. We're gonna plug everything in and continue everything going, and hopefully it's going to be good. The computer is doing its thing over here on the passenger seat. It is plugged in to my power pack, which is down there. It's apparently pulling 20 watts right now. So we are in Fairbanks, Alaska right now. Alaska. I'm in the US. And we are going to continue our little trek south. Oh my gosh, 3 hours and 22 minutes. Well, we had better start moving. I just pulled over at one of the lookouts, scenic lookouts. This Wayside Park closed 2 days ago, and as you can tell by how I'm kind of holding my hands, I decided I'm going to rip the nail polish off and apply my first coat. So here's one stop, and I guess at the next overlook, lookout, whatever, at the next pull off, I guess we'll see about doing another coat. So let's see if I can drive without messing these up, because I'm notorious for messing my nails up. Okay, I think I made it. I think. And there's a miracle, because my hair has been in my eyeball. It's been driving me insane, so I think we're just gonna do this really wonderful, lovely look right here. Okay, we're gonna do this. All right, we're going. Alright, I stopped for gas this time. They're not pretty. They never really are when I first do them. But we're gonna put the top coat on real quick and then continue on. Let's go. And then the gray, and then a little bit of snow white on the top. They're just so pretty. So many layers. I am going to apologize, because most of the footage is all of me driving, but behind that camera as I'm driving, I'm with the biggest, stupidest grin ever on my face, driving through all of these mountains. It is just absolutely spectacular. Like look, wait, there, oh, you can't see it. There's this gorgeous ridge there, and it just is all so spectacular.
and it's windy. It's really, really windy. So I'm just gonna stop and take a couple of pictures, stretch my legs, and then hop back on the road because there's still like a whole lot of miles. There is a whole lot of miles, and holy smokes. Bob's looking pretty rough. I guess the lower stuff is looking better, but gosh, he needs a bath so bad. All right. Oh, I go from a grease ball to horribly staticky. Oh. I might have to, yeah, this is gonna have to get clipped. Like, it's actually sticking to my face. Sure, why not? The mountains. All right, I'm finally free. I finally am up and moving. And which way am I going? This way? Is it this way? No, it's not. Oh, it feels so good to be up and walking. All right, I am 73 meters away from a regular geocache. I am at the Alaska Veterans Memorial. Oh no, I can't see. So you guys are just looking way up there, which I can see with my eye holes pretty good, but yeah. Seriously? I'm going over there? Alrighty, I need to draft that. Alright, our next stop is unfortunately an earth cache, so we'll see. Apparently only 13 minutes, 13 miles. Let's go. Okay, we have arrived. Wow, you're close. I did not look. There are several plaques. Yes! All right. I am covered. It's misty. It is only misty. We got this moody view of the mountains, which doesn't show up on camera at all. At least not when I'm in them. Alright, so I need to figure out all of this. By the way, wanted to let you know that that is Denali. You can't see it because I'm waiting it out. But that's Denali. That is the highest peak in North America. have my eyeballs on it. That is so cool to me. Okay, oh, that's so cool. They're wheelchair accessible. Do you want to see Denali? It is really hard to see, but that up in the clouds there, that is Denali. Haven't answered all the questions yet, but it's starting to rain harder. I guess I should take some pictures of this one too. Maybe use the bathroom while I'm here. And then we's be off. Maybe I won't use those ones. They're a little gross. Okay, so now we need to go back onto here and see if we can answer the rest of the questions. So, we are going to head off. Hopefully to a traditional, and that one is going to be in roughly an hour, we'll say. So, yay, more driving! Well, we all know there's more driving. I mean, come on, I'm on a massive road trip here. This is like the cutest little town I've ever seen. I wish I got here earlier and probably not on a Sunday because everything is closed. But it's, yeah. Okay, so I wonder how I get, here. So I need to go through Wasilla. So I'm gonna go around. Okay, an hour and 17 minutes to this virtual.
It was well after midnight by the time I finally rolled into the Iditarod virtual geocache, and needless to say, I did not go for the Cache Across America, Alaska geocache. Yes, I regret it, but hey, I guess I just need to go back.